Welcome to Thenas Channel. This is Baan Khun Yak House, designed by dminusplusb, located in Lat Yai, Thailand. The front facade showcases a modern aesthetic, blending clean lines and expansive glass panels, allowing abundant natural light to flood the interiors gracefully. An aerial view of the front highlights symmetrical architectural balance, with green landscaping seamlessly integrating the house into its natural surroundings. This top-down view emphasizes the spacious lawn and strategic layout, ensuring privacy while maintaining openness to the surrounding environment. A closer perspective reveals intricate details of the materials used, contrasting textures of wood, concrete, and glass harmoniously creating a sleek, timeless facade. The front terrace offers a seamless transition from indoor to outdoor, extending the living space into the lush green lawn for relaxation and gatherings. From the right side, the terrace's linear design and supporting pillars provide architectural rhythm, accentuating the home's modern structural integrity. The side facade integrates functionality with aesthetics, showcasing a sleek garage and an uninterrupted flow of design elements extending from the main structure. A closer view highlights subtle material contrasts, with vertical slats offering privacy while maintaining an airy, open connection to the outdoors. From another angle, the facade's depth and layering are evident, creating dynamic visual interest through architectural volumes and shadows. The rear facade opens toward the pool, combining leisure and luxury, with expansive glass walls offering breathtaking views and effortless indoor-outdoor living. The rear facade highlights a modern composition of vertical and horizontal lines, blending warm wood textures with sleek glass panels for an elegant outdoor view. A dining area seamlessly integrates functionality and aesthetics, featuring natural wood finishes, minimalistic pendant lights, and open layouts that connect with the outdoor scenery. The dining and living room offer an open-plan layout, enriched with sliding glass doors, inviting natural light while maintaining a sophisticated ambience for daily living. The interplay of textures in the living area, from polished wooden floors to soft paneling, creates a cozy yet stylish atmosphere perfect for relaxation. The kitchen embraces modern functionality with clean, straight lines, an understated color palette, and state-of-the-art appliances perfectly integrated into the design. A unique kitchen perspective showcases the careful attention to ergonomics, balancing ample workspace and storage with an inviting aesthetic. The bathroom exemplifies luxury with its natural stone walls, frameless glass shower enclosure, and a seamless combination of practicality and refined finishes. A different angle of the bathroom reveals its spaciousness, blending elegance and functionality through minimalist cabinetry and soft lighting. The site plan illustrates the home's thoughtful placement within its surroundings, emphasizing functionality, outdoor space, and harmony with the landscape. Another site plan perspective reveals meticulous landscaping and clear spatial zoning, ensuring a seamless connection between the home and its natural environment. The modern house design combines elegance and functionality, showcasing open spaces, natural light, and thoughtful materials for a luxurious living experience. Thank you for watching.